If you've ever had issues with a moving company, you know how frustrating it can be. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps of how to file a claim against a moving company and get the issue resolved. Before jumping into the claim process, start by reviewing your moving agreement. The contract should outline specific terms, such as the delivery time and what's covered in case of damage or loss. If the company failed to meet these terms, you could have a strong case for a claim. Next, gather any evidence that supports your complaint. Take clear photographs of damaged goods, keep your receipts, and collect any relevant documents. The more organized your evidence, the stronger your claim will be. Once you've gathered your evidence, it's time to reach out to the moving company directly. Many complaints can be resolved quickly without hassle if the company is willing to own up to any mistakes. Be clear and professional when presenting your issue. If the moving company agrees to resolve the issue, they'll likely ask for documentation. Submit everything you've collected, such as photos and receipts. If they refuse to cooperate or settle, it's time to take the next step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on moving and how to protect your belongings during the process. Thanks for watching.